Clamp, put it on the battery, give it a nice twist so it's metal on metal. No. And then here's the negative. Give it a good twist, metal on metal. And here we want to look at our voltage. This battery was freshly charged. We're sitting at a 12 or 13.2 voltage, and it's a 850 cca battery. So we're gonna go on here. We're gonna go 425. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 13, 14, 15. So it looked like we only dropped down to 10.2-ish, which indicates this battery is a good battery.